Morning everyone. Down at Harrockson's just after 4 this morning. Trying for a bit of cod but nothing. Old Peter. Somebody down that side. I don't know who that is over there. No, the other guys will all be here later on. Oh well, let's see what happens, see if we can find something. There's only small stuff biting. Yeah, Peter and his son still trying. Nothing, these guys surfing, paddling out there. Down towards Banana there's quite a few guys. So I'll have to do it from the other side, the lifesaving huts in the road. Oh. Well, Alex's son, as I said, Ian was down there. I tried, nothing. Now, there's quite a lot of guys going down towards Banana, and the gully's down there. I don't know if they get anything. Can't zoom in any more than this, but it's a long walk. Anyway, let's hope something else comes out soon. Oh, there's Ian and Granny's. Nothing. There's old Chris sitting sleeping as usual. Reggie in his gully. Now it's quiet. Anyway guys, wherever you are, have a great day in Tight Lines.